One more thing to do on the Dodge Dakota brake system. It's actually the last part that I haven't replaced, is the master cylinder. And ordered that on Amazon. And then they had an option, it's called a snap tool, to make the installation quicker. And I decided to take a chance on it and threw that in the cart too. So let's give it a try. Wow, I can't believe that worked. What have I been doing? I should have put that thing in the cart when I did all the brakes. Oh my gosh, it looks like they even bled it. What? Wow, I'm going to use that next time.